Welcome back. This morning, the mother of missing toddler Elijah Vue is in our spotlight after a judge has delayed her plea hearing until next week. Defendant Katrina Baur appeared briefly in court on Thursday. She's charged with chronic child neglect and obstructing an officer's business. Now, her 3-year-old child, this beautiful baby, Elijah, has been missing since February. Court documents say that Baur left her child with her boyfriend, Elijah Vue, because he was misbehaving and Vue was supposed to be disciplining him. Take a listen to what Elijah's grandma had to say.
I want my grandson to be home with my family. So I want everybody to continue, don't stop, just searching for my baby Elijah.
Oh, that precious child. Now, police say they found a deleted picture of Elijah on Baur's phone showing him blindfolded on a bed in Vue's apartment with what appears to be bruises on his jaw, on his neck, and on his arm. And back in February, Elijah Vue told police that he just woke up from a nap and then suddenly couldn't find little Elijah. He's charged with chronic child abuse as well. So what's it going to take for someone to tell us where little Elijah is? That baby's become known as Wisconsin's toddler. And we have a very special guest on the program to talk about this case, someone who's really become beloved all across America and really in parts around the world. He is a personal injury lawyer now, the former chief judge of Florida's 9th Judicial Circuit. You saw him presiding over the Casey Anthony trial in Florida. The Honorable Belvin Perry is with us. Judge, good morning. Thank you for your time today.
Good morning, Julie. How you doing?
Oh, I'm wonderful, thanks. We're always better when we get to see you, Judge, and you're such a bright light in this world, and this is just one of those cases we keep wanting to put our spotlight on because it seems that the person who should want the most answers isn't being helpful. This mother, this Katrina Baur, your thoughts on her and what may be going on here, please, Judge?
Unfortunately, it's a disturbing pattern now. With moms that are bringing men into the lives of their children and giving them complete authority over those children without any concern for those kids. And to leave a precious 3-year-old child with a man who's basically, as stated in text messages, that he's going to make sure that a 3-year-old toddler hates him and fears him. So unfortunately, there's no question as the outcome is not going to be good. And I think the outcome in this case, we're going to end up finding this precious child's body somewhere.
I think you're right, Judge. You know, we all had so much hope that he would be found alive. I mean, we're going back to February in the cold in Wisconsin, and folks there searching for him, community members joining in, have dubbed him Wisconsin's toddler. And it just said that as a community, we're trying to come together and find him. And we know that Katrina Baur hasn't been truthful. We know that she lied to police about when she had gone back to the area where her boyfriend's apartment was. And so we know there's that much she lied about. I'm curious what's been going on recently. Tell me, Judges, she's been locked up. What do you think investigators have been doing behind the scenes to perhaps get to the truth of what occurred here?
I think they're doing, number one, tracking the movements of Elijah Vue before and after, trying to see what type of contact was between the two of them, and checking cameras to see whether or not there's any photo evidence of him being spotted with the child outside of the house. This has some striking similarities to the Soto case in the Orlando, Florida area, where the mom lied, said the child was last seen by her at 7 a.m. in the morning. There's evidence to show that the child probably was deceased before that time. And there's video evidence showing the defendant in that case with the child, which appeared to be dead in the backseat of a car. So I think the police are painstakingly taking their time, trying to dot the I's and cross the T's to put together a rock-solid case, but it's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. You would like for it to be done sooner, but you have to make sure that the parts fit.
Isn't that the truth, Judge? Really appreciate the comparison you just made to the Madeline Soto case, because that's another one, as you know, that we've been really focused on heavily in justice for that beautiful teenager who deserved to live and suffered so much, allegedly, at the hands of mom's boyfriend. And so in both of these cases, as you're noting, Judge, we have these boyfriends who were said by police to be bad actors here, and women involved with them, who seem to be untruthful for whatever reason. And I'm wondering, with Katrina Baur's plea hearing, as you know, Judge, it was set for yesterday, and then it was suddenly continued to July 26th. And we don't know what this is going to be about. We've heard rumblings that she perhaps may be making some admissions, perhaps may be cooperating. We just don't know if she's going to plead to what she's already charged with, or if she's going to offer up some more information. I'm curious what you think about what will happen.
There's a great possibility that she may be going through what is known as a proffer to the prosecution as to what she knows about this case, and for them to verify that proffer to see whether or not it will be helpful in solving the possible homicide of her child. So, and she's probably trying to get the best possible deal, trying to make sure that she may not be, in fact, charged with being an accessory to the murder of her child. And they're probably trying to get some indications as to whether she's had any contact with Mr. Vang to determine the location of the body.
Mm-hmm. Judge, that's really great insight that perhaps she's going to offer up information if she has it by way of proffer, as you said, to potentially save herself and turn state's evidence, if she is, and if Jesse Vang did anything criminal here. We know that police have spoken out, Judge, about abusive treatment in his apartment, that Katrina Baur wanted her to teach her son to be a man. He's 3. Judge, I know you must be appalled at this. Your thoughts, please.
How do you teach a kid to become a man when you inflict punishment of having them pray and stand for hours on end, 2 to 3 hours? You don't teach a child to become a man at age 3. That is clearly abusive. He's a child of tender years. You don't discipline a child in that way. Matter of fact, there's clear-cut evidence of abuse, and for the mother to let that go on is shameful, to say the least.
It sure is. The Honorable Belvin Perry, we love having you on this program. Thank you so much for your insight and expertise on this. Would love to have you back again soon.
Thank you.
Take good care, Judge. And when we return, after days of being deadlocked, the jury finally reached a mixed verdict in the case against Michael Jackson Bolanos. So we're wondering, is he going to be retried on the charges where the jury was hung? We're going to speak live with his lawyer next. But as we take you to break, we want to end this segment by remembering 3-year-old Elijah Vue as we continue being a voice for him and every other victim on this program.